Guys, I do hope you enjoyed the stories today, and do hit that subscribe button for future revenge stories if you guys like this kind of stuff. Let's dive in. So, 2 years ago, a new family moved into our little quiet neighborhood and began their reign of terror. We've lived here for over 20 years in this neighborhood, and except for the past 2 years, it's been wonderful. I love our neighbors, except this family. This family just sucks. I'm not even sure where to begin. They're loud, they're dirty, they're obnoxious, their dog barks at all hours, and they constantly yell at each other and throw parties well into the night. They steal my older neighbor's paper, and they actually train their Rottweiler to fetch the neighbor's paper. It's impressive, but it's wrong. They throw their dog's poo into other yards so much, and they even cut my 80-something-year-old neighbor's prized roses for themselves. Who does that? There's about 100 issues I could write about, and how we've dealt with them, but this past weekend was my own glorious take on it all. Oh, and yes, we tried talking to them, we tried inviting them over, we've done nice things for them, and all we've expected is that they act like decent neighbors. That's never happened. So, in our neighborhood, parking is scarce. Most of those homes are classic 1950s, with single-lane driveways, and parking is limited even on the streets. There's a busy road a few blocks away that has great nightlife and popular restaurants, which means at times, especially on the weekends, the streets can fill up. This family has 4 drivers and 5 vehicles, with only enough space for 2 in their driveway at a time. Constantly, they would park and leave their vehicles for days, sometimes weeks, in front of other people's homes. And sometimes, they would leave their driveway empty for no reason, with all their cars parked on the road. I kind of believe that in itself, it isn't a big deal, except for how and when they would do it. They were intentional about it, and would do so to try to cause the most grief with everyone. And this went on for months. It was like they were saying screw you to everyone. After months of this, and no one retaliating or giving them the satisfaction of how pissed they were, they started parking deliberately in ways to make it difficult to get out of our driveways. There were also times where they squeezed my neighbor's car on the street to the point where they couldn't get out. Finally, an older retired neighbor goes down to the city and police station and inquires about what to do. They found a code or law stating that so much space from the side of the driveways and yada 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 is required. So we come home one night to freshly painted yellow curbs outlining every house surrounding this one. A few weeks ago, my husband's car breaks down and he has to get it towed. On his way back, he starts talking with the tow truck driver about these neighbors and their cars. He tells my husband that if these cars are parked illegally, then we should call the non-emergency line, and if they receive a ticket, to call him, and he can tow them at the owner's expense, because it's the law. My husband and him keep talking, and even meet up for a beer a few nights later. He's a real good guy. A month ago, we meet a couple in our fair city, and it just so happens that the husband is an officer. We were planning on meeting that Friday night, and when we met, I brought up the stupid neighbors and their parking. He says he'll drive through on his shift, and if he has time, and if he sees them parked in yellow, he has no problem ticketing them. Fantastic. That Saturday night, he sends me a text saying he ticketed 3 cars. I missed that text, so no tow truck, but I kind of figured with the 3 tickets, they'd get the idea. And they didn't. Off and on all week, it was the same. This past Saturday, the teenage son throws a party, and everyone, every single one of their guests and them, parked in the yellow of someone else's driveway.